What's going on YouTube? T5 Becky the Trekkie here. We have donned our swim shoes and our tank tops and we are heading to American Plunge log flume, and we're going to bring you on board point of view, and you can see the tower up there. It's got some boy, you can really smell the wood. Yep, looks like they just did some maintenance. It smells brand new here at Silver Dollar City, and I'm glad I got my swim shoes on because I'm already walking in the puddles. A little bit of a line, but we'll see you when we get in the boat.
Nice try. Sir.
Who? Oh, we sit in the back? Okay. Is that good? Why? All right, here we go. Why am I sitting all the way in the back?
I'm in the back.
Why are we so far back? I'll scoot up one seat, Becky. There we go. So it looks like we got some good theming. This guy's got a fish on his head. Having a sprinkle on you. Oh, that's cold. Got some tunes. Little indoor area. Little dark element. I don't know what kind of tunes those are. Nice and cool. I feel like we're gonna get like soaked any minute. What is, there's an exit door here? Wow, it's like a little half door. You have to evacuate in a pinch. Did you know this was dark? A dark ride? Wow, okay. So it looks like we've got a few turns up ahead if you stuck with us, but you can see those lanterns, but it's really low lit. I can barely see the glimmer on the water up ahead. And I'm hearing some water elements around the corner coming up, so we'll see. Oh, we've got hoses. We're about to get a sprinkle. Oh boy, Becky. It's really got a long indoor dark element. Nice and cool though. I mean, if you're trying to cool off, this is a great ride. Oh boy, here we go. What? What?
Thank God.
They turn them off? It's like a fake out?
Yeah.
Wow. They have some animatronics in the water over here. Looks like his dog's doing a water rescue. And this guy's dumping a bucket of water on you. Wow, they went all out. They got the Viking ship up there. Low bridge. It's really quite a long flume. Got another indoor element. Looks like a mine. Sign on the wall, you probably can't see it, but it says the Society's favorite sons. And then it looks like it brings you out here for the big American Plunge. So up we go. And we'll see how she rides. Stay seated and hands on the rails, everyone. Oh! It's a shake, rattle, and roller. There's not a lot of places to put your feet. We'll try to. This looks like it's going to be a good one. We got a guy in the booth up here on the phone on the left. Put feet on the floor stops. Yep, feet on the stops, Becky. Here we go. Woo! Ooh. It's brisk. Oh wow. Did you get drowned? I got a good splash over the top of the head. I can turn around so we can see you. That cooled me off. I don't think this water is overly chlorine-y. I think they're just adding a little touch of chlorine to the stream water, and they just keep filling it up right off the mountain. I mean, that's about the freshest water you're going to get anyway. So, yeah, pretty cool. It's hard to believe there's a giant cave under us, like 500 feet, and all open. So we will do the Marble Cave exploration video. Hopefully these tapping the glasses there just in case there's water in the microphone. Sometimes it does that and it sounds a little bit blurry. But all in all, I gotta say we had a great ride, and really was a good one. So we'll see you here in just a few minutes. We'll do a full review once we get out of the boat here. Awesome ride, man. Woo! She comes in hot. Up and away. Okay, Becky. All right, just coming off of American Plunge log flume. I gotta say, the theming on that, top notch. What'd you think?
Yeah, definitely like the drop on it. I feel like I got soaked. Fun ride though.
Yeah, it's got a couple of fake outs. It's like they could blast you with a lot more water on the ride. If they wanted to, it would be okay with me. Really, the dark tunnel was longer than expected. It's nice and cool in there, so if you're trying to get out of the shade. I was in the front. I got a little splash. I'm not totally splashed. I moved one seat up just a little bit, try to get a little better ride out of it.
I feel like I got that.
Becky got more, so all good though. Had a great time. Hit that subscribe button for us. We'll have more water rides. Check out the playlist on that if you're interested in those. And we'll see you all very soon on the next one. We're going to go get on the next water ride. Bye, everybody.